Day in my life sweet. Lovers couple EP 1 for a 1. Recipe Paya. Take wash paya in pan, and add clean water much quantity so that paya are soft. Add onion, 1 garlic, 1 little ginger piece. Add turmeric powder little, salt little mix garam masala, saba or grind. Now pay cook start. Take pan, take cooking oil. Take, cut, slice onion to sizes. When onion brown, add boiled soft paya. Add ginger, garlic paste, to spoons. Add 2 tomatoes cut and green chopped chili 6. Add salt, red chili, turmeric powder, mix garam masala, sabak cumin. Well, cook all. Then add water so that cook paya. Paya dish ready, serve with boiled rice.